Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy beautiful day to you all. Today is really simple. I am making a 4-day lunch prep meal for my husband. I think it's the best thing to do, especially when you in the budget, you're trying to save money, or you on a healthy diet. You don't want to eat in just any kind of food for lunch. So this is the best way to go. So we're going to prep the meal and then to make it easy for him. And then it's a good idea where you can go ahead and do your own prep for 5 days, but this one is going to be for 4 days because my husband is only working 4 days this week. So I'm preparing 4 meal for my husband. Okay, so as you can see, I already preparing chicken breast. This chicken breast right there, I'm gonna do shredded and I'm gonna do sliced chicken. It's gonna be really good, really simple. I'm trying not to do too much because he doesn't want a lot, because lunch is really half an hour, so sometimes he doesn't even have time to eat the food that he take to work. So I'm not gonna put too much. I'm gonna put enough for him to just go ahead and warm it up and eat. So this is ready now. It's gonna go in the oven for maybe probably half an hour or less. It's chicken breast, not gonna take that long. So we're gonna get that done. And now I'm getting the potato ready because I want to do chicken and potato and then something else. So that means you'll have two for 4 days. So really simple. All I had to do is just go ahead and season this potato, small little potatoes. And then I'm going to go ahead and also put that in the oven for probably the same amount of time with the chicken breast, or less. But I'll keep monitoring and make sure that it's not too soft or too, you know what I mean. So yeah. I'm doing a creamy mushroom sauce to put over the quinoa that I'm gonna be preparing. You will see later on. That's the second meal. It's gonna have 2 of that. So maybe he can take the chicken and potato Monday, and Tuesday he'll take that mushroom and quinoa, and then Wednesday he'll take chicken again, and then whatever he wants to do. But that's an idea. He can do that if he wants. So now this is the quinoa. It's a vegetable one. I got that at Home Goods. And I saw it. I was like, oh my God, I really wanted to try this. It has vegetables in it. And it's really easy and simple to cook quinoa. So there it is. What I had to do, I put a little butter. I didn't put any salt, nothing like that. My husband is so used to me right now because I don't like to put salt in my food that much. I prefer to add salt later on. But anyways, I'm pretty sure it's going to be good because when I check, it says 45 grams of sodium for the whole thing, but I'm not cooking the whole thing. But anyway, it's okay. I'm not putting in the salt. Yeah, so this is the mushroom I'm preparing right now. Pretty simple. Oh, one more thing. The recipes, I'm gonna have them in the description box, like I always put them in the description box. They're gonna be there. Just check them out if you want to make that kind of lunch prep meal prep lunch, or lunch prep meal, I don't know, whichever way you want to say it. So if you want to make that, I mean, it's a good idea. It's a very good idea. A lot of people prefer rice than quinoa, but me, I like it. I like quinoa, and people in my house, they like it too. Sometimes you have to change. I'm Caribbean, of course. I love rice. Please, I love rice, but I try not to eat too much rice. And quinoa is something that I've been putting in my diet, so that way, instead of eating rice, sometimes I eat quinoa, make a salad with it, change, the whole scenery of the recipe a little bit. Yeah, so quinoa is not so bad. Try it, guys. It's really good. And then you can put your own flavor. You can do whatever you want to do with quinoa, just like you do with rice. Now that everything is done, and now it's time to put the food in the containers. I don't have enough of these little bowls anymore. I use them so much and then I forgot to go and get more. But anyways, I had 3 left because my husband, as soon as he's done with them, he just threw them in the garbage. It's okay. They're disposable. You can reuse them. I kept telling him I can reuse them, like I can use them twice, but he just threw them in the garbage. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get more probably later, but right now I'm preparing. This is the potato. Looks so good. I taste one. It was delicious, so yummy. And I just put the chicken on top. The shredded chicken, I put it on top, and you'll notice that there's no gravy, and I'm cutting down on gravy for my husband, not too much. I'm already giving him the creamy mushroom, and I put a little heavy cream in it, not too much, and I did dilute it with water. So I give him a little sauce. This is hot. One of them is hot sauce, and the other one is sriracha sauce, and he has a choice. He can use it or he don't have to use it, but I'm pretty sure he will use it because my husband loves gravy. And guess what? I'm gonna take that off. No more gravy in my house. I don't know. This is a Caribbean guy. thing or a Haitian guy thing. I don't know. But anyways, gravy is good, but not too much, not all the time. Nah, he's eating that dry. It's all about savings, savings, and savings. Imagine how much money you will be saving by bringing your own lunch, even bringing your own breakfast. You'll be saving a lot of money. Depending on where you work, lunch or breakfast can be very expensive. Let's say you would spend $5 to $10 for breakfast and lunch $7 to $15 a day, even up to $20. That's a lot of money. You may not think about it at first, but at the end of the month, you sit down and think like, oh my God, why didn't I just go ahead and meal prep and bring my own lunch or bring my own breakfast? I mean, not all of us have the time to do it, but we can try and then to see how much we save. I mean, it's a good thing to do. So, guys, there's time you want to treat yourself, and that's okay, but the saving is beautiful. We all in a budget, right? We all in a budget. We need to save. And I hope this video helped you guys with meal prep. This one is the fourth meal, and that's it. What I did is that instead of putting all the mushroom in that other bowl, what I did is that I had the chicken, I cut it just to give him something different, so that way he feel that he's not eating this. He doesn't feel that he's eating the same thing over and over. So it's chicken, breast chicken, and I put the rest of that on top. So guys, this is it. And if I think it's a great lunch prep meal, and you guys should try it. I hope you guys like it, and who knows, trying to make it. Comment down below, let me know if you did like it, which one you made, if you make one, or did you kind of do like I did. Let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Guys, I'll see you in the next one.